City 911. Do you need the police, fire, medical?
Hello there, I need police.
And the address? Okay, what happened there?
Sure. I mean, followed around by corrupt people in law enforcement, 30 cops. They keep sabotaging my car, and they broke into my car and poured oil all over my car.
So how you know it's the cops doing it?
How I know? Because I caught them sabotaging my car.
And where did this happen?
Oh, I should say I caught them sabotaging my car years ago.
Okay, what is happening now? This is you calling me now. What's going on now?
Sure. They poured oil inside my car. They caused my radiator to leak, my car radiator to leak. I had a mechanic to change the radiator, and it caused it to leak again.
And when did this happen?
This happened this week.
Okay. Okay, did you see them do it?
No, I didn't see him do it. Also, the
Okay. So how you going to blame somebody if you didn't see them do it? I'm just asking you because
sure.
we sending you the police. We need to know what's going on.
Just let me answer the question for you. 2013, I put online I'm being followed around by terrorists, corrupt people in law enforcement, trying to get me fired from my job and block me from dating and starting my family. I put this online. 3 years later, I got fired from my job. There's a court case that shows that corrupt people in law enforcement make people homeless and get them fired from their jobs. Court case. The court case is called Social Workers Party versus the Attorney General.
Okay, now we talk about now.
Okay, exactly. We're talking about now. They're still doing the same thing. When?
So is your car damaged now?
That's what I'm calling. And the court case shows that law enforcement started the reign of terrorism back in the 1950s. And this is 2022, and they're still doing the same thing.
So you want the police to come and file a complaint against you because your car was because they messed with your car?
Right. They mess with my car. They send their dogs to pick fights with me every day. They keep terrorizing me every day.
Your telephone number?
I'm not sure what the phone number here for this is. Oh, last time I called them, I told them that they cut up my seats. They gave me a beat down, took down the cameras off the building to hide the evidence, and they threw me in the sidewalk.
Sir, what apartment are you in? You in an apartment or a private house, sir?
I'm here.
Hello?
I'm here. Go ahead.
You in an apartment or private house?
My car is parked in the backyard.
Okay, so this is apartment or a private house? This apartment building or a private house?
This is a house.
And you don't know your telephone number?
No. And,
okay, what color is your car? What's the make?
And don't forget, last time they beat me up, they took down the cameras off the building, and they threw me in the sidewalk because they want to terrorize me. Don't forget that. That's very important. They had to erase the evidence, and they refused to give me a police report last time.
Sir, I'm worried about now. I'm worried about what's
I'm worried about now. I'm worried about yesterday.
Yes,
I'm worried about the day before. Last time, listen to me. Last time they refused to issue me a police report when they cut up my seats. They did the same thing today. They cut my seats. Okay? So last time they refused to issue me a police report, and they threw me in the sidewalk against my will. These people are terrorists. Okay? I'm telling you what's happening. And they had erased the video off the building. They did it to Laquan McDonald in Chicago. They murdered the guy, and they erased the video footage. These people are terrorists.
Okay.
They're terrorists.
We're going to send the police there, sir. This operate 2131. They're on their way.
The police never showed up. Why is that? Is it because they know who are attacking me? Is it because they themselves are attacking me? Or is it because the police are refusing to issue me a police report showing evidence that somebody has sabotaged my car. According to the New York Times, Fernando Castle had been followed around for 13 years by corrupt people and law enforcement. And these terrorists are following me around every day, blocking me from hiring a lawyer to sue them in court in 2 different states. Is law enforcement a terrorist organization? Or is this just the corruption of the policing system?
Call your U.S. congressman and U.S. senator and ask them to pressure the DOJ to open a patent and practice investigation. I think that's the biggest thing that people can do at this point.
Leave a comment below in the comment section if you're not being blocked by these corrupt people in law enforcement. If there are any civil rights lawyers that's watching this video, please contact me at corruptcopsattackingme@gmail.com or 646-535-2124. Like, share, support, and comment.